Skip laurels turning yellow. Most skip laurels look like this. Lush, green, new foliage, really good looking plants. But if you look at the brown, you'll see there's brown leaves. And you may ask yourself, where did those brown leaves come from? Well, they come from the plant. What happens is that the plant turns its interior leaves yellow and gets rid of them. And when they start to fall off, they land in the ground and those yellow leaves turn brown. This is natural. This is part of the system of the skip laurel. As the skip laurel is growing, it loses its interior foliage. And this is because the plant can't support all the foliage. So it puts all of its energy onto the foliage that is new. It gains more energy, and therefore it gets rid of its interior older leaves. If you see a skip laurel that looks like this, that is not good. That is not natural. That is the plant going through some bad times. This is what a skip laurel should look like. Lush and green. It has good foliage. It has good leaf angle. If you see a plant that looks like this, that means there's not enough water. Although it's still green, the leaf angle is not good, and that means it's not having enough water to support itself. What was wrong with this one is that the water line fell off of it. All you have to do is identify what's wrong with it, and most of the time it's water, and then correct it. We like to water it from the roots. When you water it from the roots, you tend to not have as much shot hole in the plant, and that's what this is. So if you see something like that, it's nothing to worry about. The new foliage as you see coming in through does not have it. It will grow through it. Just to minimize it, don't do overhead irrigation. Do irrigation from the roots. Just water the roots.
This is a view of some of the many trees we stock at Highland Hill Farm. We can ship to you on our trucks by tractor trailer, or at certain times of the year many of these plants can be sent by UPS. So give us a call at 215-651-8329 for trees and shrubs.